Everything clear, all clear. Enjoy your one terrifying loop on the Great American Revolution.
Hey everybody, it's Greg from ParksJourney.com here. We're here at Six Flags Magic Mountain to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the new revolution, or the classic revolution, or the Great American Revolution. 115 feet tall, 55 miles an hour, almost 3,500 feet of vertical track. First modern coaster with a vertical loop. 50th anniversary today, May 8th, 1976. Let's go for a ride on the Great American Revolution. Let's go! Woo. Incredible view of Santa Clarita Valley and all the construction on the 5. Woo. Ah! All right, everybody, place your head against the headrest. Gotta go through the loop. Full stop. Safety first. Crawling through the drop into the loop. There we go. First loop in modern coaster history. Woo, yeah! All right. Heading down to the back side of the hill. Going through the tunnel. You remember the old commercial? Ah! Heading through the loop now to the final turns of the coaster. So that is a ride on the Great American Revolution here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. They're doing a full celebration of this coaster all summer long. New signage, new displays in the queue, new ride video, new POV is going to be sent out. Come out to Magic Mountain, new merchandise, new food. Come out to Magic Mountain this summer. They're also going to be doing ERT on the Revolution on July 4th for pass holders. So stay tuned. We'll have more information on all the events this summer soon. Thanks for watching, everybody.